Hey guys, hey, it's your girl Simply Courtline back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be braiding my husband's hair. First and foremost, I want to apologize for how cloudy this video came out when we were recording it. I don't know what exactly happened. I think the light was too bright, but it still came out wonderful. You'll see in the end. So I'm showing you the products that I'm using. We're going to jump right into the video. The products I did use would be the Extra Hold Let's Jam. I also use the Murray's Burt's Bees. I use the Magic Collection Edge Effect Professional Edge Gel. And I also use the Style Factory Edge Boost. And yes, I do use all these products. Reason is his hair is super thick, and in order for it to be sleek and neat, I choose to use a lot of products just to make sure we have what we are needing as far as the neatness. So the first thing I do is part down the center of his head just to make sure I have an even canvas. If I don't do this, y'all, his braids will be everywhere. Like, I don't know how to start from one side and make sure that it's even throughout. So this is easier for me to part down the center of his head and start from there. So I'm adding some product to his hair. I don't go in any specific order. I use the Magic Collection Edge Control a lot, but sometimes it does make his hair turn white, so I would follow up by adding the Style Factory's Edge Boost Stronghold Styling Gel, just to make sure that when we do get done with the hairstyle, it's not gonna turn his hair white. But yeah, I'm just trying to make sure I perfect that part so my canvas will be perfect, and add the various products to his hair just to make sure everything is in line. So you will see me go ahead and clip off the section of hair that I'm not using or not working on, and then move on to the side that I am going to start the braid on. Now his hair looks short, y'all, but it's not. He just has a lot of shrinkage. A lot. So I'm starting off with my first braid. I'm going to go ahead and add that picture of the inspired style that we're going for somewhere in this video. I may have mentioned it before, but I'm going to add it somewhere in this video so you guys will have an idea of the style we're going for. But I mean, braids are self-explanatory. I don't need to tell you exactly how to do a braid or anything along those lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna stop talking now and come back once I get to a part where I can give some more instructions on what I'm doing. But before I leave you guys, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and become part of the Simply K family. Like and share this video if you found it helpful or interesting or informative. I don't know why I can't say that word properly, but yeah, shoot me a comment and just let me know your thoughts on how I did on this video. Once again, I'm not a professional braider or anything like that. It's just my husband likes to have his hair braided, so I try my best to braid it for him. So as I said, I'm gonna leave you all. I'll come back where I get to a point where I need to give more instructions or tell you guys what I'm doing. So go ahead and enjoy the video. I'll talk to you guys in a second.
wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
firstly, I'm going to go in with the African Pride Olive Miracle braiding sheen spray, and then I'm going to go in with the Design Essential Reflector Shining Liquid, and finally we're going to go in with the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oil foaming mousse. So this is just to go ahead and make all those flyaways go away. And at last, this is the final look of the hairstyle. Once again, guys, I am no pro. This is just me attempting to mimic a hairstyle that I saw. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on how I did on this video. Thank you guys once again for the love and support. I appreciate you all. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.